We have lots of plastic waste on campus, just like this spoon, and my goal is to be able to turn plastic waste like that into sustainable material for 3D printing applications. Compostable silverware is actually made of PLA, which is the most common and easiest to use type of 3D printing material. So if we can make a machine that can transform this into this material, we can give our students free, sustainable, and recycled 3D printing material for their projects and research. Traditionally, 3D printers use spooled filament to print 3D objects. Our challenge is to be able to, instead of using filament, to extrude waste plastic granules directly from the extruder in order to make our 3D parts. The challenge with that is that the extrusion of singular particles is a very, very difficult task. If you're throwing particles in that are a different size, it starts coming out at different rates, and that lowers the quality of your print. That's been one of the biggest hurdles and barriers towards this technology being developed. I've had so many opportunities to explore this topic, through the University of Dayton's 3D Printing Club, to a 2019 International Ethos Immersion to Oroville, India, and even in my current honors thesis, which is the avenue in which I'm currently pursuing this research. At UD, you really get the chance to take what you learn in the classroom and do something with it, to work with your hands, to make mistakes, to make a real difference and a real change. UD really gives you avenues to explore who you're being called to be in life and what work you're being called to do. I do best in environments where I feel supported and encouraged and raised up. And everybody here, from students to faculty, everyone has made my experience here at UD fantastic.